going to buy a goggles. Yeah, goggles. Yeah, for my swimming. $16. Yeah, the rest is looks like for kids. And I'm getting this one. Actually, I also need the floaters, but they don't have. The floaters, the one that you put, yeah, in between the legs. I also get this one, little trees, black ice. This is just $3. Black ice, not really the one that I like. I prefer the Africa. Yeah, I don't want to put it here. I want to put it somewhere I don't see it. Also, if possible, I don't smell it. Maybe in the bin. Let's give a chance. Okay, we're going to the sports complex and we do some, yeah, swimming and some other physical activities, running also. And this is where I'm going to have my breakfast. Oh, it's windy outside. Yeah, I'm going to have my coffee and, yeah, coffee and scone. Oh, look at this. This actually is still damp, wet. Shorts is okay. Dry. There is a chance that Inigo will also come here, yeah, to join me swimming. Also Michael. Yeah, because yesterday, yeah, Inigo saw my wristband, the swimming wristband. He thought I went to the clinic or something. Yeah, I said I went to swim. Yeah, and that wristband is basically represent for the lifeguard to be aware of me because I don't know how to swim. And then, yeah, I told Inigo that I went for swimming. He said, "Can I join with you?" Yeah, sure. I don't really like the smell of the car freshener. Oh, this is how it is. It's not comfortable wearing this. Yeah, that much of cars. Yeah, we are now here. This Netball. Oh, it's cold and windy. Yeah, we're still here in the netball court. Yeah, I'm actually doing a beep test. If you don't know a beep test, this is a kind of running where you can hear a beep and then you will start to run. And then if you reach the end point, you need to wait for the beep to start running again, going back to the starting point, and then wait for the beep again, and so on and so on. It's difficult. It's tiring, but for sure I can do higher level than that. Just need some practice. I'm listening to the beep through YouTube video to my earphone while running. Yeah, I don't really like the smell of this. Throw it in the bin. Oh, Inigo just arrived. He wants to swim also. We already walk around in the area. We also been there in the swimming pool area, but he changed his mind. He don't want to swim anymore. And we are now here, walking in this field. Yeah, I'm always here these days because I'm running. And look, there are many people at the Tubugan Hill Park. So basically they are going to ride of something like a roller coaster. Yeah, Tubugan. Yeah, and he end up on the end. You know, Inigo said that he will always come here to do this, something like this. It is windy, so it is noisy. That's why I can't really vlog properly. Still a lot of people over there at Tubugan. You know, Tubugan in Tagalog and Filipino, in Quezon province, it means, yeah, the bunker. I mean, the place where the carabao they dive in to swim. It's a muddy, watery place. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm now doing my bed. It is already 6:51. Yeah, this is how it is outside. You see the sky down there, it's a pink around. And I'm actually here in McDonald's, here in Williamtown, near the airport. I have no plan of sleeping here, just to stop because I don't want to drive being sleepy. But I end up sleeping here fully. And I'm going to leave now. I'm not going to buy anything in McDonald's. Now the sun is rising. Actually, I'm going to buy a coffee, breakfast meal. Yeah, I'm going to buy a coffee and also maybe a pancake. And this is it. This pancake. Oh no, the guy said hot cake or pancake? Hot cake. Yeah, hot cake. And the sun is now covered by the clouds, but it's blue sky today. It is really amazing having a bun. Oh, coffee. I forgot the coffee. Real purpose is to have a coffee, but the one that I forgot. I don't come here often, here in McDonald's, Williamtown, but this is actually my favorite. First, because they have a very wide parking area. Second, they are not very busy. Let me show you. This is my GoPro. Yeah, my GoPro Hero 12, the one that I lost. Yeah, the last time it was in this side. Yeah, just on the other road, on the other side of the road. And it's been 2 months already. You know the McDonald break pass in the Philippines? Yeah, there is a Filipino break pass in the Philippines. Like there is rice meal with longanisa, eggs, sausages, corned beef, and then the regular big McDonald breakfast meal. The Philippine version of different international fast food chains is always so much better than the international counterparts, than the international version, because international version is usually just the basic, but the Philippines version usually have the basic plus the Filipino thing, Filipino version. Everything in here is totally unhealthy. Yeah, but it gives energy, but not very healthy. Oh, there's a Suzuki Jimny. That is yeah, the new one, the latest model. Oh, I'm actually going to give them a keyhole cover. Yo, and we are now here in my apartment. You know, I am cleaning. You notice this is already broken long time ago. Ever since that I bought this, yeah, it's been broken like that. And we are now here in Central Coast area. Yeah, here in the last service station going to Sydney. And if you can see that, Hungry Jack's, that is previously the McDonald's. And it is not just Hungry Jack's, there is also a Porto, Noodle Box, Bose, yeah, and this one is the permanently here. And actually lots of cars in here, heaps of cars in here. And I'm actually curious to try this noodle box. Oh, so basically this place is becoming like a food court. Yeah, the Hungry Jack, the former McDonald, is on the very far side. And then there is this yeah, the, what's that? Oporto, and then Bus and Noodle Box. Before, this is just a McDonald's, and there is another restaurant that is not very popular. Oh, look at that. There are those soldier. Yeah, nice. This is small, but actually it's a little heavy, so maybe it's a lot once it is in the plate. Lots of cars here. Most of these people are going to Sydney area. That noodle box is actually selling a lot of things, not just noodles but also rice, chicken, burgers. Yeah, so yeah, when I get there I suddenly get confused what I'm going to get, and I end up with this yeah, nasi goreng. Actually it's a lot. Look at this, it's full. Oh, I saw again another Suzuki Jimny owner. Yeah, I just ran out of battery when I was in the McDonald, but yeah, I was able to give one yeah, keyhole cover for the Suzuki Jimny. Oh, that's sound. I'm going to approach them and we'll give this. The guy already have one, but the other side is he said it's gone already. I still gave it to him.